In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite clients to Goodday. Inviting your clients directly into Goodday is a great way to streamline communication, share project progress, and keep everyone aligned in one place. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can confidently send out invitations and assign the right access in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account. Once you're on your main workspace or dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile name or profile avatar there. Click on your profile name to open your account options. This is where Goodday groups personal and account-related settings, including the tools you need to invite new people. After that profile menu opens, look for the option that says Invite to Goodday. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the invitation window or panel. Think of this as your main control center for bringing new clients into your environment. Everything you need to send an invite will be right here. Next, you'll need to fill in the client's details. Typically, this will include their name and email address, and in some cases, an optional message. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email address, because this is where the invitation link will be sent. If there's a message or note field available, you can use it to briefly explain why they're being invited, what they will see when they log in, or any first steps you'd like them to take. Once the basic information is filled out, look for the section labeled Role. This is very important because the role determines what your client can see and do once they join. Click directly on the role field to open the list of available roles. Goodday usually offers different roles such as client, user, or other permission levels, depending on your setup. From the list that appears, select the role that best matches the level of access you want to give your client. For external clients, you'll usually want a more limited role, so they can view relevant tasks and projects without having full administrative permissions. Take a moment here to ensure the chosen role aligns with your organization's access policies. When you're satisfied with the details and the selected role, look for the Submit button. Click on Submit to finalize the invitation. Goodday will then send an email invitation to your client with instructions on how to join. At this point, your work is done. You just need to wait for them to accept and log in, and that's all there is to it.